Ever wondered what are the top 5 states to visit in India? Today, embark on an auditory journey through the diverse landscapes, vibrant cultures, and delectable cuisines of this vast subcontinent. Starting at number 5, we find ourselves in the heart of India, Madhya Pradesh. Known as the Heartland State, it boasts a rich cultural heritage. From the architectural marvels of Khajuraho to the wild expanses of Kanha National Park, there's a taste of everything. The local cuisine, a blend of sweet and spicy, is a treat for the taste buds. Don't miss the budakakis, a delightful corn dish when you're here. And do remember to pick up a chanderi or maheshwari sari, the traditional hand-woven fabrics of this region. The 4th spot takes us to the coastal paradise of Goa. With its pristine beaches and Portuguese-influenced architecture, Goa is a unique blend of Indian and Western cultures. The Goan cuisine is a feast for seafood lovers, featuring dishes like prawn balcao and fish rachado. And when it comes to clothing, Goa is all about laid-back beachwear, but the traditional Kunbi saris add a splash of color and cultural richness. Moving up to number 3, we're greeted by the royal allure of Rajasthan. From the sandy dunes of the Thar Desert to the grand palaces of Jaipur and Udaipur, Rajasthan is a state of contrasts. The cuisine here is as rich as its history, with mouth-watering dishes like dal bati churma and gat ki sabji. And let's not forget the vibrant bandhani and leheria textiles that make Rajasthan a shopper's paradise. At number 2, we have God's own country, Kerala. With its serene backwaters, lush green tea gardens, and diverse wildlife, Kerala offers a tranquil retreat. The state's cuisine, famous for its use of coconut and spices, features lip-smacking dishes like sadhya and Malabar biryani. And the traditional Kerala kasavu saris, with their gold borders on a cream base, are a class apart. And finally, the crown jewel, at number 1, we have the mystic land of Jammu and Kashmir. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, from the snow-capped peaks of Ladakh to the blooming tulip gardens of Srinagar, it's a paradise on earth. The cuisine, with dishes like Rogan Josh and Yakhni Pulao, is a heavenly delight. And the state is synonymous with Pashmina shawls, known worldwide for their warmth and intricate design. From the heartland of Madhya Pradesh to the snowy peaks of Jammu and Kashmir, these 5 states offer a glimpse into the incredible diversity of India. They invite you to explore their unique cultures, tantalize your taste buds with their local cuisines, and enrich your wardrobe with their traditional fabrics. So when are you packing your bags for an Indian adventure?